What's happening, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your favorite couple. Back with another video. For the new subscribers we got. It's your boy Brandon.
And I'm April.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah. It's Sunday morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
It's Sunday morning, but today's what, August 20 something. What is it?
22nd.
Sounds right.
Yes.
It's the 22nd, yeah. So we are in Pikes National Forest getting ready to do the Raspberry Mountain Trail. So we going hiking, y'all. We dress. It's a little hot down here, but we think it's gonna be extremely cold up there. So I think it's like a 5.5, I think they said. Good morning. It's either like what, 5.5, 6?
5, somebody said 5.
Yeah, so
We'll
Brandon
see.
got his stick. He think he gonna do something with it. Hope.
Catch a bear lacking. Have us a bear rug at the crib. Something.
Gonna eat his ass alive. So yeah, let's get on this hike. We're gonna take y'all along. We got 2 hikes in 2 days. So today we're doing Raspberry. Tomorrow we're doing the
incline. We'll see how we feel at the I'm gonna see how I feel at the today.
He gonna do it. He gonna do the Manitou tomorrow. It's just a straight up. I think it's just stairs though, right? The Manitou. Yeah. So that's today. Tomorrow's the Manitou. 2 hikes, 2 days. Let's get it. Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
Oh, my boy say he tired. Do you go left or do you go right? What's the right answer?
Let's go.
Let's go this way. Hopefully he's right. Y'all, so right now, we're at almost 8,000 feet. So we started off at 7,500. Right now we're at 7,009. Can y'all see it? 941. So yeah, we're only about 0.38 into the hike.
Man, I'm tired.
He ain't tired. So, really? Hike here a lot?
I think this is like the 3rd time. It's not far.
It's crazy, yeah. It's crazy. We over 8,000 feet right now.
And then
It's crazy. Who does shit like this? I tell you. Stay tuned. More to come.
Y'all, we just hit a mountain. We had our little friend who, like, I guess has hiked here before. He went off onto another trail. He showed us how to get to this one, which was Raspberry, and then there's like another one that goes to another trail. So we're a mile in. This is not for the weak-hearted. Like,
Yeah, this is hard.
we work out every day,
Yeah, this is hard. This is
and we didn't gain 1,500 feet in a mile. But yeah, now we just, you know, continuing the hike.
It's hard, y'all.
I'm not sure. What is it? I think it's like 5 or 6 miles out and back. So we're gonna see. We only a mile in, get a little hike. But yeah, this not for the weak-hearted, because this damn elevation gain is something else. It's really hot today. Like, I had to take one of my shirts off. Like, it's hot. Oh, it's starting to open up.
Yeah, the elevation is pretty difficult, but I think this
The terrain, yeah, like
this
it's
is hard.
This shit is like, we went straight uphill for like the first mile. Now it's a little bit flat, but yeah. Let's get it. We'll see y'all in a minute. We at like 9,000 feet. It was an animal?
Looked a little bigger than the squirrel, but
Oh my goodness, I did see something climb up that tree. Bro, what the fuck is it? What that stick gonna do? I did see it when you said it too.
it's brown.
I know.
Fox.
It was a fox.
Probably a fox.
Bro, what the?
There go right there.
Where?
Flat in the street.
Where? Huh? Where?
Squirrel, the black one.
It's a squirrel? So we out here scared of squirrel.
Yeah.
Where is it at? I don't see it. I don't see him, but it was an animal. Oh, I see it. Oh, look at him. This is what we was scared of. Where's the squirrel? Where is that? Oh, there you go. Hi, squirrel. It's a chipmunk, I think. Yeah, he up there chewing on some damn nuts. You had me scared. Talking about a damn fox.
That's it. Views right there.
We're not at the top yet. We are what, 2 miles in? You won't talk.
2 miles left. 2 miles in. What?
2 miles in?
2 miles in, 3 miles to go. Yeah, y'all. I don't know about this. Too much, too long, too far.
No, it's not. It's not even that far. It's not.
We ain't even close to being done. We ain't even halfway done.
But y'all, it's gorgeous. Like I said, we're not even at the top. We want to see the summit. We're just showing y'all some views.
Views.
Let's get it. Y'all, this shit going off into the jungle. We like deep in these damn woods. As long as no fucking animals come out, we gonna be good. But yeah, we almost at 3 miles.
Three miles, y'all. Hey, show us some support and give us a thumbs up, man, for doing this. Doing this for y'all, man. We're gonna
2 hikes in 2 days.
We're gonna change our channel to a nature channel or something. Outdoors channel. So they give us some more love over there.
I know.
But hey, give us a thumbs up, man. Shit. This ain't easy.
Your favorite fitness couple?
Your favorite?
Your favorite? But yeah, this is gonna be a new nature channel. Walking through the wilderness. But yeah, 3 miles in. We got almost, I think, like 2.5 to go. But we'll see. So holla at y'all in a minute. Is that $1 million homes? I'm sure. Look at this freaking house right here. Do y'all see that? Like, I'm zooming in right there. That brown one. That's gorgeous. That's definitely $1 million home. Y'all, it's gorgeous up here. Y'all, this guy in his stick, like, he really gonna do something. I think he really wanna see a bear, y'all, so you can see if his stick work.
Yep.
He said he wanna test his stick out.
Test it out.
Y'all, we are, let's see where we're at. We're going down now. So we're at 3.53 miles and our elevation now is 79.40. So we're going down. But yeah, we should end up, it said about 5.2. So yeah.
Oh no, definitely right away.
Hi. No, it's the right way because my phone, I'm glad I looked at my phone. Y'all, if you're going hiking, download the All Trails Pro offline map. Because we was kind of going the wrong way. Then I downloaded it. I don't know if you guys can see. Probably gotta get in the light, but it tells you where you're going. So you see right here, we was going the wrong way for a little bit. We had to come back. Now we're going the right way. That little long red line is the wrong way. Now we're back on the trail where the trail right here is orange. As you walk it, it turns red. So yeah, we were going the wrong way for a little bit, but now we're back. I turned my little app on a little late, so right here it says 2.5, but we're actually like, my other app says we're 3.5, so we're actually a little more within like 3.5 in. Huh? The switchback? Where?
Little green poles.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we are actually at 3.85 because I turned my Samsung Health app on. So, and I turned my All Trails app on late. So, can y'all see it? It's dark. But yeah, we're at 3.86. And I just turned the All Trails on late, which says 2.5. But All Trails is great. I see now that it's good to download it so you can get an offline map. Make sure you're on. Oh yeah, this is the little.
Give us a like, y'all.
Give us a like, subscribe. Your favorite outdoor couple traveling, fitness. Damn hot ass weather. My hair is all freaking like mess. But we finished. When we finished, it was a good hike. It was good. We reached over like 9,000. It wasn't nice the one we went to in Denver. That was like about 11,000 something. But 5.75. We hiked 5.75, so it was a good one.
It was a good one, man. Like, for real, man. That was out of 5 difficulty. That was easily the hardest one we done did.
I think Denver, to me.
I think that was hard.
I think Denver.
I give it a pull.
Because the elevation was a little bit more.
Yeah, the elevation was a little bit more, but I just
For me, Denver. For him, this one. For me, Denver was a little bit harder. But
yeah.
I don't remember which one. This might have been the longer one.
I think this had to be the longest.
I'm gonna go back and look at the Denver one and
yeah.
see. But yeah, we were underdressed for Denver. We were overdressed for this one.
For real. For real, but hey, it was a good time, man.
It was.
Tune part 2 tomorrow.
Part 2, we're going on the Manitou Incline. I think that's just some stairs and it's just like a straight up like incline. I'm not sure if it's like how like mountainous as this one was, but that's like stairs, incline. So stay tuned. We're gonna bring y'all along for 2 hikes in 2 days. Outdoor with the Lewises.
Outdoor with the Lewises. The channel coming soon.
Yeah, our nature channel, Outdoor with the Lewises. We're gonna bring y'all outdoors. Yeah, we're gonna get a little, I don't know if y'all can see, they got a little RV over there. We're gonna get us an RV so we could just travel around, sleep in the wilderness. But yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow, Monday. 2 hikes in 2 days.
Happening, everybody. This beast just started. Got like 2,000 more steps to go. Wanna say so?
Climbing.
It's tough. I don't even
It's the elevation.
We just starting. Look how much to go. That's okay. They're getting the uncensored version. But yeah, making it step by step. We gonna get there. I'll let y'all in a minute. Ways to go. Ways to go. I got a ways to go. Ways to go. We're getting it. A little bit to go. A little bit over 1,000. Still, it's the air for real. It's the air for real. But talk to y'all in a minute. Look at April.
Y'all, this freaking incline, the Manitou Springs incline is no joke. Do y'all see how far up I am? The stairs ain't even that bad. It's really the elevation. Like, it's no joke. So I'm at 1,900 steps. I got about a little over 1,000. Well, right under 1,000. I think it's like 28 something. So, yeah. Oh gosh. And then we still got 4 miles down the mountain. Woo. So just finished the incline. Them damn stairs are no joke. It was 2,768 stairs. Yeah, that elevation I feel like is what like seriously takes you out. Like, I swear, like, so many times I had to like catch my breath. It was really fun though. Definitely would do it several times, and every time try to get like faster with it. But it just being my first time, you know, I went a little slower because I didn't want to like exhaust myself. But yeah, that incline is like definitely a joke, but it was really fun. A really good Manitou Springs incline trail, and now we're gonna take the bar trail down. So it was like 0.88 up, which was 2,768 stairs, and then the actual trail to go down, it's not stairs, it's actually a trail. It's like 4 miles, so take the trail down. But yeah, I think I'm gonna add this to like my maybe weekly, every weekly outdoor cardio is really good, y'all. It just, my hair is like jacked. This got to come out today. But yeah, so we're gonna finish up this hike. Yeah, it was good. That was a good one. Just jogging down the trail now. Y'all at the bottom. Y'all, so we just finished with a trail run. I definitely am adding that to my like weekly cardio. Y'all know I added cycling, but that trail run, I really feel like it'll get me in shape for this like half. That was fun. The trail run is fun. I'm
done lifting weights. I'm just doing trail running from home.
He's a trail runner now. Like, bro, that was fun. Yes, definitely. That was fun as hell. Trail running. So they said it was 4 miles, but our thing said 3. So we did like 3 miles trail running, but it was super fun, like for sure. Adding that to the, oh yeah, I had to catch my breath. Definitely adding that to the weekly. Yes, trail running. Get me ready for this half, because your girl is coming in 2 hours in this half marathon. 2 hours. 2 hours. So yeah, that was fun today. Did you?
Incline was cool. It was cool. Like honestly, y'all, like if you think you're in shape, come and try this. Like for real. Like,
Yeah.
Like it wasn't. No, it was hard. That was different. I said yesterday was difficult. This one, I guess I don't know if you consider this a hike or not, but
I think
it was.
I think it's a hike.
It was definitely. This was what I say, 4 out of 5 yesterday. 4 out of 4.5. This was 5 out of 5. Like,
yeah, because I swear I thought I wasn't. Well, I know I'm in shape. However, I don't even think I made it the first 100 steps, and it was like the elevation was like, okay, girl. Yeah, it was testing me.
So yeah, so I think I did it under 45 minutes, which was cool, but I'm gonna test myself to get it to 35. But like she said, the beginning part, it was all the elevation and stuff, and then once you get used to the elevation, that's when your legs just start going, and you're just getting tired. But it was fun. I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna come back and challenge myself too. Like knock a couple minutes off my time, and then after that, running down that trail was fun as hell. So I think doing this to just get my lungs and all of that, like get me used to the elevation, because that half is in Boulder. So trail running it is. He said you're trail running. Now we trail runners. Yeah,
we an outdoor couple, outdoors with the Lewises.
Yeah.
Trail running edition.
I'm cramped. My legs are done. I'm cramping so bad right now. I was trying to keep moving. I was trying to keep moving so I won't cramp really bad, but yeah, I'm cramping. My legs are shot, man. Like if you want to challenge yourself, how many miles is that in the 5, 10, about 10, 11 miles hiking?
Since yesterday?
Since yesterday?
Well, this was 3.
This was 3, 4. 1 and some change. So we're gonna just say.
And what was yesterday?
About 6, wasn't it?
So it was almost 11, 10, 11, like 11.
Yeah, man, challenge yourself, man.
In 2 days, yeah.
2 days.
And today's my leg day. Yeah, so yeah, we want to end the vlog out here. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We took y'all for 2 hikes in 2 days.
For real.
We got more coming. little outdoor series.
Thank y'all for watching. Yeah, for real outdoor series. We're in Colorado, and you already know the motto has been a while since we did anything physically together. So, you know, stay fit, live fit, be fit.
Yeah.